You'll have love at first sight with the 2021 Nissan Rogue. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a stylish, efficient Rogue that has the features you need to stay on top of today's demanding lifestyle. This can-do crossover anticipates your wants and needs with a quiet, comfortable ride in a spacious, well-equipped cabin. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, proximity key entry, heated driver's seat, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, lane keeping assist, 4-cylinder engine, backup camera, heated mirrors. Get the comfort you want and the efficiency you need in this handsome Rogue. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.